Juicing of fruits has become a very popular way of obtaining essential nutrients. The juice of beets, apples and carrots are one of the healthiest juices out there. Consuming this juice for 3 months can improve the overall function of the body's organs. Today's video will explore the health benefits of this juice. 1. Antiseptic and mineralizing. The vegetables in the juice will help to cleanse your body on a daily basis. Beets will help your body to flush out excessive fluids and harmful toxins. It helps with digestion and removes inflammation. It also helps to neutralize your pancreas and stabilize your hormones. 2. It's nutritious. This juice is high in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. It also contains beneficial acids that help to keep your blood stable and neutralized. 3. It's good for your beauty. Drinking this juice every day improves your hair and strengthens your nails. There is such a high level of vitamins in this drink that you will feel and look better all around. Vitamin A is an essential vitamin for the skin and vision. 4. Fights anemia. Beet, carrot and apple juice contains vitamin C and iron. Therefore, it fights anemia by increasing the formation of red blood cells and improves your immune system. 5. Weight loss. Since this juice cleanses your body, cleans out toxins and satisfies your hunger, it can be a strong component in losing weight. The drink is low in calories while delivering a strong, nutritious punch. 6. Controls cholesterol and uric acid. Drinking this juice on a regular basis can help to stabilize or lower your cholesterol level, regulate your liver and improve the function of your kidneys, because it cleanses your body on the inside. Ingredients: 2 medium, cooked beets, 1 green apple, 2 carrots, juice from half a lemon, half a glass of water. Directions: peel and cut beets into pieces. Do not peel the apple, as the pectin in the skin is helpful. Clean the carrots, peel them and cut into pieces. Put all ingredients into a food processor and add half a glass of water, along with the juice from the lemon. It is recommended that you alternate the ways in which you consume the water. For example, one day drink it for breakfast and the next day consume it a half an hour before dinner. Rotating when the juice is consumed will help the body to become regulated. This will help the body to become stronger. It is highly recommended that you consume this drink regularly for 1 month to see the best results. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.